What's really holding you back from success? You're not lazy. You're not broken. You've just been told the wrong thing about success your entire life. Hi, I'm Holly. I'm a mom, grandmother, and at 70, I found myself drowning in debt, terrified to retire, and unsure what was going to be next. For decades, I believed success came from working harder, but the truth, that belief kept me broke. What's holding you back isn't a lack of hustle, it's a lack of strategy. Too many people are following outdated advice, sadly to say. Get a second job, start a side hustle you hate, spend hours online chasing strangers. But real success, the kind with peace, profit, and purpose, starts with a system that respects your time. One that's built for everyday people, not influencers or tech experts. I found a path that gives me 100% profit, runs in 2 hours a day, and doesn't require cold messaging or complicated funnels. It's a done-for-you business in a box. Basically, plug in and get started. One-time fee, no overhead, and no monthly expenses, and includes training and tech support. 4 programs to choose from to fit anyone's budget or goals. Build supplemental income from the convenience at home. Your pace, no clock to punch in, and over 53,000 members, all eager to help, as we're all like-minded on the same journey to success. Comment info and I'll show you exactly what I follow every day. It's worth checking, because the real risk isn't trying something new, it's staying stuck where you are.